Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? And happy holidays, Merry Christmas. In today's video, I want to talk about what we've added to our first aid kit. We've added some medical supplies, and it's a pulse oximeter. I've always wanted one of these. I do have a blood pressure kit, but I found that this could be useful. This is what it is. Now, I'm sure if you've been to the doctor, to the ER, you've most likely been hooked up to one of these. Now, it comes with, oh good, they give batteries. I didn't even know that. It has a lanyard. And this little safekeeping bag right here. So, we're going to hook these up. Should I use these batteries? Oh, when they shrink wrap them like this. Grab my keys. I'll use the keys to my gate. Yeah, there's a lot of traffic out today. You could probably hear it outside. So let's get this fired up so we can see how it works. Now the pulse oximeter shows you your heartbeat and your the percentage of oxygen in your blood or something like that. So let's test this out. Heart rate's going down. What does that mean? Lord. Maybe I should drink some coffee. May your coffee kick in before reality does, huh? No irregularity found. Oh, that means my medication's working. Carvedilol. Help. So as you can see, it does work. My oxygen levels in my, that would be in my blood or just in my body is 99%. And my pulse rate is 75, which is good because I do have what is called tachycardia. And tachycardia is a part of atrial fibrillation. Atrial fibrillation literally plagues my family. And I am on medication for it. So, seeing this number right here, this 75, I literally should be cheering and doing jumping jacks and being very excited because literally my normal resting heart rate is over 100. So that means that my medication is doing its job. So, this is exciting. Now, I did get this off of Amazon. And I will leave the link in the description box below, okay? Do I think everyone should have this in their first aid kit? Yes. Was this a lot of money? Did it break my bank? No. So, am I an advocate for one of these things? Yes. Have I been hooked up to one of these things a lot? Yes. Every time I go to the doctor's office and every time I go to the ER. I haven't been to the ER in quite some time, so thank God for that. But listen, we are always adding to our first aid kits as preppers, yes? So, being as though we do that, I've thought that this was a very good addition to my first aid kit. Yes, I have a blood pressure kit. but blood pressure kit is not going to tell me what my oxygen level is. So this does. Right on. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. I've been trying to upload to Rumble, and yeah, it's just not it's not working. I don't know. Maybe it's my phone, because I had to get a new phone because my other phone just stopped working. It was just like, really, it said I can't anymore. So it just literally stopped working. So I had to go to T-Mobile and get a new phone. So I don't know if it's my new phone and I just don't know how to use it. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, user error. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay positive, keep prepping. Merry Christmas. And if you need me, email me, butterfly030807@gmail.com. Bye, guys.